today we're checking out the 2022 Home Planner. Now this is a DIY book for, I want to say guys, but I guess it could apply to anybody, but I feel like they might be more interested in it than say girls would be. So let's look inside. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturdays. So today we're going to look at the 2022 Home Planner. I actually didn't even realize that this was going to be a 2022. I was totally fine getting 2021 when I ordered it online. I don't even know how I found this. It was totally random, but I love the idea that somebody is doing something different, right? It's for home planners and home projects, and the cover is not the most beautiful, but I think that is so that it will appeal to a male gender audience. I'm not saying they all want something that's kind of blah and dark and drab, but they probably don't want things that are pink and purple and have sparkles and glitter on them. So this would probably be better for branding. Now, this was not cheap. It was $55, $10 for shipping for a total of $65. So I know what you're thinking, like, does it have secrets to the universe? I mean, it has some useful things in it. Actually, I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's just look inside. It came in this plain FedEx box, or not box, wrap package, I guess. Wrapping. So we will just cut it open. And it looks like there's even more padding inside. So that it's extra padded. And there we go. It was a perfect fit for that FedEx bag. Yeah. And it looks like it's taped around it. Here we go. It is upside down and backwards. Okay, now here it is. The 2022 Home Planner, a must-have for all DIYers and weekend warriors. So it's pretty ugly, but I mean that in a nice way because it's, in theory, for dudes or guys. And I can confirm most dudes do not want, not all, but most of them do not want a pretty planner. So this is perfect. So this is, I think that's on purpose, that it looks like a stain up there. Quick reference guide, I don't know. Calculate the area as square footage, how to calculate pouring concrete, average cost to pour concrete, calculate tile, measuring. Okay, these are all important. These are all things, honestly, I would just call my dad for. So, oh yeah, for sure the stain's on purpose. It looks like it's everywhere. This year's big projects is small size projects, estimated time, medium, 1 day or more. And then we have big projects, a weekend or more. I don't know, a lot of our projects, sometimes they could take weeks or months. Tips when hired out projects, probably it means when hiring out projects. What to watch for when hiring others, beware of free quotes, detailed estimates, contracts, no more than 10%, referrals. Oh, this is handy, right? Nuts, bolts, washers, screw types. We have head styles, we have washer types, we have nut types. And then we have 2022 at a glance. So it looks like it goes left to right on a 2-page spread. So that's a little odd. I've never seen that. So May, June, July, August. Usually it's just on one side and then the other. This week. And then we have January work tip, belt sanders aren't just for wood. So it looks like it gives you a little lesson at the beginning. This month's to do, lint rollers, January, Sunday through Saturday. It looks like the weekends are in red. Well, almost. I think maybe that was a typo. It looks like they forgot to put that in red. And then over here we have the week, which goes Sunday through Saturday. And we have a page for grids. And then the same thing, rinse and repeat. Let's see. Rinse and repeat. And then we get to this week. And, well, that's kind of odd, right? So we only get a 1 this week, even though there's 4 weeks in the year. So that's a little odd. Maybe they meant to say this month. But we have projects, supplies, home maintenance tools, needed notes. And then we have February, another tip, magnetize tools in a second. And then over here, a work tip, and then we have the same thing. Yeah, I think that was a typo. The other one wasn't red because that one's red. and we do a rinse and repeat. So it looks like this kind of just does that same thing every month. Again, it says this week, but I think what they meant to say was this month. And then we have the perfect funnel, and this goes on and on. You know, I don't know how you feel. I'm not a fan of the stain look. I don't know. It feels like it's ruined. But again, I'm not their target audience. I'm a girl. Maybe that's very cool for guys. So April reverse circular saw blade. These are super serious. I don't think I was ever allowed to use a saw. In fact, so my dad had a big workspace, but I wasn't allowed to touch any of the power tools. Nail clamp, no room, no problem. Okay, so this is cute. So let's just walk through. We'll see what June is. Clamp, drill, and hammer. And July is modified wood clamps. And August is perfect tool sharpening. September, new uses for old glove fingers. Prevent paint buildup. And, oh, it looks like there's another typo. So we have September, we have October, and then we have September again. And then it says September here, but I think it should say October, even though it says September, right? We're in, hold on, let me make sure that's right. Yeah, we're in October. So it looks like they have a typo. So I don't know if these dates are reliable. I'm not sure if we can trust the dates on here. We've got November. Yeah, so we're back on track with November. And then for December, the perfect companion tool. And we go through it again. All right, so let's see. September was correct. And I feel for them because I do this sometimes too when I push things out. August. July was okay. June was okay. Yeah, so it looks like October was just renamed September. That's the only one that's an error. Yeah, September for the month of October. All right, so if you want to see what's at the back, it looks like they just gave you some extra pages for grids. And then we have that back that I opened up at the beginning. What did you think? I mean, aside from the typos, I thought it was a neat idea. You know, I'm not a fan of putting pictures inside of planners. They just never work out that well. They always look kind of tacky or just weird. So I don't know another alternative, but I think the pictures look great if you're doing digital, or if you have a sort of magazine quality paper, which this did not. But again, like I said, it's not trying to be a super pretty, like girly planner. So I think that's okay. And also, you know, the dates, just something to always keep in mind to double and triple check dates before you send things out. So let me know what you thought. If there is something similar that you've seen, I haven't seen any planners like that. So I think it's great that that's out there. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you guys later.